Hey guys, today I got two things to show you right now. Sorry, it's been a while since I uploaded. Well, I'm back. Well, the first thing I'm going to show is right over here. I got today on it. The internet is this tunnel light. This is Pennsylvania baggage car hopper. No, coach I meant. Looks very nice. You know it's missing couplers. And it's very bad shape, but I still like it. Maybe we can get this fixed. So you can go on my layout. That's happening on December. Yeah, December. We're making one. And the windows over here are busted out. And the next thing I want to show you is I'm going to the YouTube meet in Strasbourg on May 16th and 17th, and I was looking up here on the Red Caboose Motel, and then I saw this. It has 2 beds, and I wonder what's in that door right there. If anybody knows, please comment down below. And it has its own table right here, so I can watch my Ready and Northern videos. Like if I get bored, or maybe that can help me. Hopefully there's internet in here. Well, there's others. Like if it gets very full, there's others somewhere here. One thing I might get is there is a there's my cat over there. Let's see. Say hi, Fia. Yeah, she's never fun. What I was saying, it was they have a Reading caboose right here, which I might pick because I love Reading. I mean, Reading and Northern too. And I didn't know there was 2 beds, so maybe one of you guys will like to fit in with us when we go into the caboose. And there's also a track. The main line where rail trains go crossing by, which sounds exciting. Actually, yeah. Hopefully the 611's there, so we can make videos about it. Yeah, and there's also Thomas there too. Excuse me. So, that's all I have for today, everybody. This is Gabriel Reader signing out, and have an awesome day.